is called the magnetic pull game. We have some little magnets. I put them on some elastic cording just with regular tape. Spread out some paper clips across the poster board just to protect the wooden surface. And then the game is that we're going to hold magnetic cording on one side, let our magnets pull across the table on the other. However many we pick up at the end, the one with the most is the winner. You ready to get started?
Yep.
Okay, on your mark. Get set, pull! That worked well.
Unforeseen.
Magnets, oh no, who gets which one? Oh, one. I started out with so many more. Okay, I'm gonna go before Christian gets his cleaned off. I think we'll lose a few along the way.
Boom.
Ah, 0!
I need to have more. Hey! I didn't know we could do short pulls.
Okay, no more short pulls, no. Or just drag them all along. Yep, long pulls. Okay. Whoop. That went the wrong way. You were. Just don't take mine. I'm gonna protect mine. I'm putting mine underneath the board so they can't be stolen. Nice try.
Yeah.
Oh, on the backfire I got a few more. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, make sure to hit that button down below so you can join us for all of our future games as well. I see a potential problem. Our board is getting cleaned up. Oh, nice job. Only a few left. Oh, I went over them. 3 left on the board. Oh, 1 left.
I'm taking over ones.
No! Hey, that's cheating. Oh, on the drawback. All right, now let's go ahead and count them and see how many we have.
What is Worldwide Magnet Day?
I don't know.
30.
That'd be awesome if there was one. If not, we should create it.
I will.
Pretty cute.
And I become president. That's my only goal. Worldwide Magnet Day.
40. Sounds like a plan. I'm done.
Such an unorganized mess.
It's a beautiful pile. There's 55 paper clips.
That's like modern art.
Ta-da!
Why is a safety pin in here?
The random safety pin! Automatic 50 points!
Yay.
No, not really. But that would be an awesome idea. Make it worth like 10 points if you throw a safety pin in. Oh, extra! 56! Alright, let's see if Christian has beat it.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
And the winner is you. How many do you have?
78.
Oh yeah, you're totally the winner. So Christian is the winner of our magnetic pull game. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.